Welcome to our tech channel. Today we are excited to bring you the Lava Agni 2, a smartphone that's been making headlines with its impressive features and competitive pricing. Let's take a closer look at what this phone has to offer. The Lava Agni 2 sports a 6.78-inch display with a resolution that ensures a vivid and immersive visual experience. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chips, which provides smooth and efficient performance. With 8GB of RAM and 256KB of storage, the Lava Agni 2 offers plenty of space for all your apps and media. It runs on Android 13, giving you access to the latest features and security updates in one. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 5th camera that captures stunning photos with great detail and clarity. The phone also features a 4700 mAh battery, which should keep you going all day long. The Lava Agni 2 is great smartphone priced about 16,999 Indian rupees. It's a great option for those looking for a powerful smartphone without breaking the bank. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tech reviews and news. Stay tech savvy and we will see you in the next video.